P8 asks us to collect data and produce statistical diagrams, histograms and frequency curves. In this lesson we are going to work on being able to plot cumulative frequency diagrams. Section 2, Cumulative Frequency Diagrams, on page 13 of the P8 booklet. Now in this case we need to plot a cumulative frequency graph. Now cumulative basically means that you add up as you go along. So cumulative frequency means that we add up the frequencies as we go along. Now the first group has got 15, so for the 0 to 10, the cumulative frequency would be simply 15, as we've only got one group so far. The 10 to 20 group, we need to add an additional 31. So 15 plus 31 is 46. For the 20 to 30 group, we have another 8. So we add another 8 to the 46. And we get 54. For the 30 to 40 group, we have another 2. So adding an extra 2 on, we get 56. And for the 40 to 50 group, we get 4. So another 4 onto the 56 and we end up with 60. Now to plot the cumulative frequency, we start with the very first value in the group, which is 0. At that point we've not had any frequency at all, so we plot that at 0. So we mark across 0, 0. Then we move to the end of the groups. By the end of 10 we've got 15. So at 10, on the h-axis we then go up to 15 and mark across. Then by 20 we're up to 46. So we go across to 20, up to 46, we mark across. And by the end of 30 we're up to 54, so we go across to 30, up to 54, we mark across. And by 40 we're up to 56, so we go across to 40, up to 56, we mark across, and finally the end of the last group is 50, and by then we're up to 60, so at 50, 60 we mark our final cross. Now some people will join up those points with straight lines, other with a smooth curve. So in my case I'm going to do a smooth curve as best I can through the points, which actually looks terrible. And had it been better, that would have been a perfect cumulative frequency curve.